Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to update this image in Firebase Storage here from React.js, and in previous video I have explained how to insert that new image in Firebase Storage. See this video and then continue this, okay? Yeah, let's start. So yeah, this is our list, and here if user click on this edit, I am passing the current index value. So I'm just consoling this, okay? And go to console, and here if I click on edit, see we got this current index value, edit index, okay, age, id and name and image. So we need to set this image in this state because this is what contains the edit value. So it's like here I'm just adding img colon this val dot img. So go to this state and we need to initialize this img, okay? Yep, this is done. And after edit, if user click on this add button, that add button functionality is this. So here I'm just simply inserting that image when user insert, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add if condition, if user updating new image, this will contains value when user click on insert and also update, okay? So for that case, what I'll do, if user updating or editing this one, I'll just do this. This is the code. I mean, we need to add this as well. So this is the code to insert the image in Firebase Storage, okay? And I'm just copying this and remove this because we need to access this value outside. Let and this will do insert and update, okay? In else case, if user didn't update image, they are just updating only the text, means what I'll do, copy this, and we already have that download URL, download URL in the sense this value. This is what we setting from here, okay? So we need to get this value and set this in else case. So how can we access that? Insert data, I mean input data dot img. So here if user insert or updating new image, this will execute, or otherwise this will execute, okay? This value will go to insert or update here, okay? Fine. In Firebase we can able to insert and delete the image, we can able to update. So what I'm going to do now, if user updating new one means I'm going to delete the existing one, okay? Here this check case is for if user already have that image, we are going to update, then only this if case will work, or otherwise this won't work, okay? So if this input data is this one, this already have this image means where it is here, dot image means if suppose if this contains value, then I'm going to delete the existing one, okay? Delete ref. Here I'm going to create ref is already imported, here it is coming from Firebase, okay? And I need to pass this storage, this is our get storage connection between our Firebase Storage to React.js, okay? So we need to pass that is kind of reference, okay? And I'm going to delete this one if suppose if user updating image, okay? So we need to delete that existing one, so for that reason I'm just creating that as a ref, and here await and delete object. So it is also coming from Firebase, so it is imported here, and I'm going to pass that delete ref. So this is delete ref, delete image previous, okay? Our functionality is done. Here it's like in if case we have two logic. If user inserting, I mean creating new to do means this will only work. In that time we don't have that existing image, so this won't trigger, this will only trigger and it will set that image, so it will insert here. If suppose if user not even updating image means this else case will trigger. if suppose if user updating the image means this will insert the new one and delete the existing one. Yeah, that's it. And save this, and here I'm going to check that. Also here we have 3 images. Okay, inside this 3 images, and the 3 images displaying here. So I'm going to edit this, and I'm just editing only the text. Okay, I'll just keep just one, and if I click on update, this text only updates. See, this text is updated, this image still present even if I reload. Yeah, this is working. If suppose if I'm updating only the image, so what I'll do, I'll just go to picture and stop post. I'm just uploading this one. Update this 2 and this image need to update. See, where is 2? Yeah, 2 and that image is updated. I'm going here. Right now it is showing 3 images. It should display only 3 because we deleted that previous one, you know. If suppose if we didn't delete that previous image means it will display 4. See, that old image got deleted. Yep, you have only 3 images. If suppose if user creating new one 4, and this is 4, and I'm going to upload. Yeah, this one, add. Probably it should add. Yeah, here 4. See, 4 is added. It is working fine. If I click on edit, I'm just updating full text. It's 4 and 5, and updating image as well. Instead, I'm going to give this one, and if I click on update, so this full content will update. See, 4 and 45, and see, this image is also updated. Here we'll get 3 image only. I mean 4 images because we have 4 to dos, right? 1, 2, 3, and this one is 4. So we'll get 4 inside this. See, 4. Yeah, this is how you can update image in Firebase Storage. Yeah, this is what I tried to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.